Hello everyone, welcome back to Dog and Partridge to Plays Our Own Fine Craft Tales. It's near December the 18th, so you won't find him in 10 Downing Street having a party, but you will find him fully jabbed against Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime's coming to get me!
Megatron and Septicon. It is the one and only, real life, non-transferable Alan Partridge.
Thank you for that. You see, I can't do intros like my brother. It's my world famous brewmaster, brilliant brother, Dave Partridge.
Hello, bro.
Evening, bro.
Evening.
He must think about these intros all day long, you know.
I have, to be fair. I've got nothing else to do.
You've got nothing else to do. Right then, there you go. Right then, bro, what's the news tonight?
The news tonight is we've got a range of beers from across the bar, from a range of supplies.
Lovely jubbly. Are we going straight in?
We could do so, yeah. This is what we're here to do. We are here to taste beer.
Going straight in. What are we going in for first, bro?
Well, we're going for a limited edition kit from those guys at Mangrove Jacks.
It'd be in one of these beer pouches, isn't it?
Yeah, it's one of these beer pouches.
Right, it looks like that, if you can see that on the camera anywhere around there, folks. So, this is IPA Citra, single hop. Mangrove Jacks Craft Series, beer making kit. So we've seen all this, got all the info on the front here, your IBUs, your colour, 5.6%.
5.6% if you add an enhancer, yes. Obviously, if you don't add an enhancer, it's not going to push that. Yes, I actually here, again, added
one of these.
One of those. The beer kit enhancer from
Dark Rock. Okie dokie.
So in there you get the peer brew and to add as well, as the enhancer.
So these are about £5, am I right in saying?
Yeah, that's right.
So it's about £5. And how much is the pouch?
About 20 quid.
It's about 25 quid.
I actually got sent it very kindly, thank you very much indeed, from brew to bottle.
Oh, thank you for the guys who brewed the bottle. Lovely. Right then, now the important thing, what's it like?
Well, it's only why we find out, right?
Come on, get him up here, come on.
Let me just top that one back up for you. You'll have to get around that.
Oh, now, those who watch our videos and know I blooming love Citra.
You do indeed, sir. Yeah. Yes.
So, it's got a good nose.
It has got a good nose, hasn't it? And as most Citra beers should have a good nose. If they ain't, then it ain't not Citra beer.
Yeah, it's Citra. It's all day long Citra. It's a little bit cloudy.
A little bit cloudy, a little bit hazy.
It's not that bad. So.
Not that bad.
Well, it's Citra. It's fruity, it's zesty, it's lovely. We're going in, hopefully.
Let's go in.
Oh.
There's no. Ooh.
Oh. That's fantastic, bro.
I don't know whether it's that enhancer, but the smoothness and the roundness of that beer there, and I know we love Citra, but
I know, but that's divine.
That is absolutely bang on the money, isn't it? There's
it's
a good fruit flavours come through, but then there's a good, bold, strong hoppiness as well, isn't there?
Yeah, everything.
And that dryness.
And dryness on the back of the palate, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely.
Straight in 10 out of 10.
Straight in 10 out of 10. So which that means one thing only.
Is it better than the other Citra we tried? Because we've got, it was the Dark Rock's one session series kit, wasn't it? Is it better than that?
Well, you're the Citra king, you tell me. You're not the
king
of the jungle.
I can't remember. What do you reckon?
You're not the king of the jungle, are you?
No, I'm not.
It's because you're not fixed here, that's why. Anyway.
No, you swallow me beer then.
Let's see where Dark Rock Citra Session Series was on the 12 beer kits plot.
Bring that bit there, shall we, bro? A little bit. So we can see it. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, if that works. So,
probably doesn't, but we'll take a photograph of it again and put it on there.
Dark Rock Session Series Citra is in our free.
I reckon it's either just that little bit better. So I reckon it needs to go in at number 2.
I'm with you.
Yeah.
It's almost bordering on like proper full grain rounded feel to it, that has, hasn't it?
Proper sinister.
Cracking that is.
So we're going to put that in at number 2. So that completes the 12 pints of beer kits of Partridge for 2021.
We will take a picture of that, like my brother says. Yeah. That's it in.
That's the top 12.
We've got
for
top 12.
2021.
Oh, that took some doing, didn't it?
Hey.
Oh,
that was hard work, that.
Oh, that was hard work, that, wasn't it? Oh. Anyway, so 10 out of 10. We're going to have a little bit.
Well, that's what we're here to do, sir.
Bit more lifting. It's good, that, isn't it? I might save that bit for you.
Oh, that's good.
Where are we going next, bro?
5.8 though, bro.
Yes, it is 5.8. You wouldn't have too many then, would you? It's not getting much better either. No,
I've got
the wrong one.
You've got the wrong one.
I got the wrong one. Actually, it wasn't 5.8, it was 5.6.
5.6. Well, that's a little bit better.
It's the next one that's 5.8.
The next one's 5.8.
So,
This is another Mangrove Jacks one.
another Mangrove Jacks one.
One of their limited editions again.
This is a Baltic Porter. Yeah. We've gone brave. We've gone brave.
I don't know why a porter could be Baltic. Just drop me a comment underneath why a Baltic porter is different from a porter.
Okay. Well, it says here, tasting notes, a full-bodied porter with rich roasted flavours, finished with satisfying warm and malty sweetness. Rich and complex roasted malt aroma with spicy, earthy aroma. Poured black with a tan head. Poured black with a tan head.
It is black with a tan head, yeah.
5.8%, blah, 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 all on there. I'm sure you've seen these before, folks. There we go. Right. Again, any enhancer in this or not?
Yes.
Same one?
Another dark rock one, yes.
Another dark rock one. Okie dokie.
I did use their stout enhancer though.
Well, it smells dark and roasty.
It actually does smell dark and roasty.
Which is pretty much what you want a porter to smell like.
Yeah, you do actually. There's a slightly artificial kind of, I don't know what the word is there at the back there.
Yeah, it's hard to describe, isn't it?
Well, it's supposed to be malty, but when I smell malt, I can't get my mind out of malt extract. Do you know what I mean?
You're getting that little bit of a licorice smell to it.
That's the one, yeah.
Yeah. Right, well, it's dark, it's got a tan head, it smells malty. I'm going in. Cheers.
Cheers. That's not bad, actually.
That's all right, that is, bro. I'm not usually a fan of dark beers. I know my brother likes them a little bit this time of year, and
yeah, you've got to have a good porter.
You know what? I could quite happily drink that. That's lovely.
It's
what you want. It's roasted, it's malted, but it's also quite smooth.
Just quite smooth. At the end, though, there is that little bit of.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
Trickly taste, but it's just a little bit.
To me, you're always going to get that with dark beers.
I drank a food the other weekend over at 8 7.
He drank a lot.
And I wasn't getting that.
No, theirs was a lot smoother, wasn't it?
A lot smoother, but there was a lot more coffee and roastiness going on.
If you ever get a chance, check out 8 Sail Brewery in Hackington. They've got a little website. We had another one there the other week, which is a Black Widow, and that's a black beer, and that is delightful.
That was a mild.
And that was mild, yeah.
Dark mild.
Yeah.
I was drinking Victorian Porter this week.
Yeah.
And yeah, I was getting a lot more coffee, roastiness, and I am getting from that.
Yes, you was. I mean, to me, that's a standard porter.
To me, it's a little bit too sweet.
It is a little bit sweet. I'll go for what we're going there for out of 10 then, bro.
Definitely a 9 out of 10 for me.
Well, I think I'll go with them. It's a 9 out of 10. Quite happy to drink that. It's non-offensive. It's lovely. It goes down well.
9 out of 10.
Sneaky though, it's knocking on the door for 6% beer.
It is indeed, sir. Yes.
Which is not what it tastes.
No.
It's not got that strong taste to it.
Hasn't got that strong taste to it. It is a little bit sweet for my liking in the back end. I would like more bitterness from the porter and more dryness, if I'm honest.
Right. Okay. There you go.
That's why it's a 9 out of 10.
There you go, folks. I think we've got a third beer. This is going to be a treat.
Right, yes. Back over to Malt Miller now.
This is Malt Miller. This one's on the phone because this is a full grain kit.
It is, yes.
Now, my brother's probably going to explain to you in a minute. This is the one that you made on the video using the
Grainfather.
Grainfather, that's
on
it.
my Brew Day video, if you click back through a few episodes.
It's only a few weeks ago, sort of thing, isn't it?
Yeah,
So.
Grainfather S40. I picked this particular kit because it comes in 2 19-litre batches.
Does indeed say so on here. So this is Son of Punkie IPA. This is a clone of the beer that started many drinking hop forward type beers. It's £45, but it's £45 because there's 2 lots in it, basically, isn't it? So there you go. Yeah, well, we all know what Punk IPA tastes like. I presume it's supposed to be a clone of that, isn't it? So.
Well, it is son of. So I would have said something like or something after. To be
right. So we've got American ales, American style Indian Pale Ale, 19 litres, 6.1.
Ooh.
Okie dokie.
Now, when I made this, obviously, the hops all just come in one bag and you have to weigh them out. So I had to double them up to do it in the one brew and then do it as it is instructed in the fermenters.
And there's quite a few in here.
There is quite a lot in there.
Because you've got Apollo, Chinook, Willamette and Cascade.
Mm-hmm.
Got 4 hops in that, maybe.
Yeah, and you do get quite a lot of them. So that does push the price up a little bit as well.
Okay. Oh, and Sentinel.
Oh, and Sentinel. That's normally the quite earthy ones, isn't it?
Right. Okie dokie.
Okay.
Right, that's that then.
Yeah, just so this could almost be tagged on to that brew day video.
Okie dokie.
Okie dokie. I'm getting a strange kind of nose there.
It's a bit. You see, I'm biased. To me, that's what that punk IPA smells like.
Well, there you go then. To me, it's a little bit strange. It's a little bit.
It's a bit lagery for my liking.
Yeah, that's it. The zesty smell you get from lager or the sage.
It's not an offensive smell. I quite like it. But there is a sort of freshness and a slight fruitiness in there.
Yeah, the more you shake it, the more the freshness and the fruitiness you get coming through, I think.
Slightly floral.
Yes.
So, yes. It's not clear. It's definitely a hazy beer.
Not sure
if it should be.
If I put my Werflock tablet in.
Okay.
Because obviously the kit doesn't come with that. It's something you add. And then obviously there's also quite a lot of dry hops to add to the beer. And if you can't get your beer to crash cold enough, you don't get a cold beer. Clear
beer. Right, well that's not a problem. Let's go. I'm going in.
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Ooh.
Ooh. I think you're going to have to do that in more taste. Because after the porter, which is like a little bit sweet, that's really dry.
You see, now to me, that Sentinel's punching through there a little bit too much for my liking. That's that grassy.
It is, yes, you're right there, yeah.
On the end of it.
Yeah, that grassy into the mid. But I'm also getting, I'm not sure from which hop, but I'm getting like a grapefruit.
Definitely. Second tasting, much more.
Not a pink grapefruit, a grapefruit.
Just a grapefruit. Very much so on the second tasting.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am eating an alcoholic grapefruit. In fact, the more now you've said it, that is it. You've made alcoholic grapefruit juice.
Grapefruit juice, that breakfast cereal juice you have in the morning.
Yeah, that's that.
That's that.
How much of that we got?
72 pints.
Anybody want to come round?
6.1 as well. We're going to be giggling all the way here, aren't we?
Christmas is going to be messy.
Sure for Nora. You know, next year, I think we need to look at our all grain and which was our favourite.
Yes.
And then make 72 pints of that.
Of the favourite one.
Of the favourite one.
Okie dokie.
Which leads us on to what we're going to do next. Dum, dum, dum.
And what are we going to do next, then, Brett?
Well, we have got something coming to the Dog and Partridge. We thought, well, it's been a tough couple of years. You know, and these manufacturers have given us new kits throughout these last couple of years.
Not just new kits, new ranges, bro.
New ranges. So, you know, we thought we'd give something back. So they've kept us going. So we thought we'd just give something back. So we're going to do the Golden Partridge Awards.
Oh, we are. Yes. So we've gone back. So we're going to do several awards, aren't we, Brett?
We are indeed, sir.
So, we're only just, in our opinion, from our little pub shed here, we've got a Beer Kit of the Year award.
Yeah. Coming your way.
We've got a Beer Range award. That's
Coming
2
your way.
awards. And then for the all grain, we've got a gold, a silver and a bronze award because there's quite a lot to pick from in those.
There is indeed. So stay tuned to the Golden Partridge Awards.
Because the awards will be coming in early, I'm going to say this because I don't think we've got time before Christmas.
No, we haven't got
in early January 2022.
It might be the end of the year show.
It might be the end of the year show, and if it is, it'll be messy. Talking about next time, shall I have a look, bro?
Have a look, bro.
Next time, maybe the awards, maybe not, we don't know yet, but the Festival Belgium Ale, who's that from? Festival?
I know it's 6-1.
6-1!
Come on!
Ah, he's still trying them.
I'm still trying them.
The Gosdoer, Irish Red. One of them's got to be worth drinking.
Although, with this Irish Red, I swapped out the yeast because I've heard that, like, if you're going for a cheap yeast or in a cheap kit, the yeast can make a big difference.
Okay.
So I've swapped out the yeast.
Okay.
And we'll see if that gives it a go.
Right, yeah.
I have seen one good comment.
Did you swap it out for one of these liquid yeasts? Or?
No, I've just upgraded to Mangrove Jack's
okay. Right, yeah.
stout yeast or something.
And then Worcestershire Hop Shop, Life and Death. I think that might be from Worcestershire Hop Shop.
It is, how'd you guess?
He's giving me nearly 6% beers.
Life and Death is a clone.
Of
Life and Death.
It's not something I've heard of.
Have you not?
No.
Well,
Who's that guy?
I saw it and it just said Life and Death clone.
Right.
And the only Life and Death beer that I know is Life and Death by Vocation Beer.
Oh, Vocation. No, it does ring a bell. So it could be a clone of one of their beers.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. I do like some of their beers as well.
I love Life and Death.
Okay.
So that's something like.
Is that it, bro? I'll just tell you about the channel and I think we're done, aren't we?
Tell them about the channel.
So, yes, if you are watching us anywhere else, get on over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button, tinkle that little bell and it'll let you know when we've uploaded a new video.
That's right, yeah.
Thanks for everybody that's commented. My brother tends to respond to more than I do. But
I try to get back to everybody. Obviously, with work-life balance and all the rest of the business.
It's difficult. It's difficult.
And especially when you've got a 6-1 beer in front of you and you're
gets
trying
messy.
to reply. It's messy.
Right, I'm going back to the other one over here. I'm going back to my first one.
I'm going back to the Citra.
Yes, me too. That's my favourite beer tonight, bro.
Definitely.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Right.
Until next time. Huzzah!
Huzzah!
To the Queen!
Cheers, bro. Oh, yeah.